Hi, this is Super Cool with 50 and this is my glitches part 2. I'm on Metropolis.
Yep, Metropolis, yep. Yeah, that glitch is so stupid. Yep.
And
Okay, come on, do it. Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, I'm
shit.
here. I'm your naked 1, 2, 3. Haha. Shit. Okay, do it.
Johnson. Oh, and
What?
I'm going to the titanium bolt.
Yeah, titanium bolt or something. Yeah, your voice is pretty stupid.
And
What? Hey, that glitch is pretty stupid. Yeah. Yep.
it's very stupid and simple.
Okay, die in there or something.
And now I'm going to the decks.
To Dex Planet, man. You're just very good at English, man. Yep. Come
Oh,
on.
I know.
Okay, shit. Go to that planet or something. What planet is it?
Decks.
Okay. Come on. Come on, do it. It's that glitch when you die or something.
Yeah.
Okay. That glitch is pretty cool. Crap. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, Dex or something. Okay, click X or something. Nerd. Shit. Okay. Don't. Yeah, Super Cool 15 is playing, not me. Yeah, it's pretty suck. Where is it? The glitch. Where is it? Hey, Super Cool!
Yeah.
Wake up, man! Shit.
Oh man, shut up.
Okay. Shit. Yeah, you're pretty a nerd. Shit. Okay. You just used the last one.
Look this glitch.
Yeah, that glitch. Very stupid. Yeah, new glitch. Founded by Super Cool 15 or something. Yeah. Yeah, you on this. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. Look at this. Shit. Yeah, pretty stupid. Try it again.
It's very stupid.
Yeah, try it again. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty stupid and weird. Come on. Shit. And do it. Yeah! You're gonna die or something.
Oh, crap.
Crap and die. Yep. Die. Stupid!
It's
Come
very
on.
stupid.
Come on, die, man. Shit. Can't die?
Yes,
Yeah.
but
It doesn't work now.
very stupid.
Okay, just step in X or something, yeah. Yeah.
And
What?
comment please.
Yep. Yeah, these are pretty stupid.
And I finish it.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Look and rate this video.
Yep, okay. You're pretty stupid.